Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about candid new trends in English grammar and composition, class 6, chapter 11, tense forms. Okay, so as you know, there are two tenses, present tense and past tense, and there is no future tense in English grammar. We have discussed briefly about the concept of tense and time. Okay, so you can go to the playlist sections, and under the category of tense and time for our classes, you can find there. So here the structure of positive, okay, how to form simple present tense positive sentence, negative yes no, wh, negative interrogatives detail I have mentioned. Okay, so you can got a complete idea about this. So here the first exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Okay, so as you know, only we use yes or yes. Okay, the third person singular, like he, then she. Okay, any singular noun. Suppose take an example of a person, Ram. In this video we will discuss about the different structures of positive, negative, interrogative, yes no, wh, and also negative interrogative. Let's first start the structure of affirmative or positive sentence. First, its structure will be subject, then verb 1, verb means here. So here honesty dash in the long run. Okay, honesty, honesty pays in the long run. This is all time truth. Honesty never as like hard work never goes in vain. So similarly this is also all time truth. That then next, I obeisance in the temple daily. Okay, so I pay, not page. Okay, I pay. So here that first person singular, so here no s or es will be added to the verb. Okay, I pay, not page. We only add s or es only to the third person singular only. Then next, these days children dash to live in joint family. Children don't like. Okay, it is a one type we can call habit. Okay, children don't like here. Then next, when I go to Mumbai, I dash with my cousin. When I go to Mumbai, I stay with my cousin, not a stage. Okay, I stay. So here so here first person singular. Okay, I go, not I goes. Okay, this will be wrong. So similarly here I go, I stay. Then next, America dash a lot of money on fast food. Okay, America spends. So here third person singular. Okay, America spends, third person singular. Okay, spends, you will add s or es to the verb. America spends, India spends. Okay, so next, failure dash the pillar of success. Failure is the, okay, is the, not being. Okay, so here failure be verb. Be verb. Be verb, how many be verbs are there? Be verb is, okay, are, was, were. These known as be verb. Be verb, this is primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary, you can get a complete idea about go to the playlist sections and you can find the all the description about the be verb. So here failure is the, okay, not being. Failure is the pillar of success. This is all time truth. Then next, a born child always, okay, always dreads. So here third person singular. Okay, a born child always dreads. Here s is added. Okay, then next, music dash ventilation to our feelings. Music dash ventilation to our feelings, provide. Okay, so here music provides. Music provides, here singular. Okay, according to the subject the verb must be singular. So here subject must be agree with the verb. Music provides ventilation, okay, to our feelings. Then next, I dash loud music. I don't like. Okay, I don't like. So here you can get a complete idea about how to change the positive into negative. Okay, you can watch this video. Then next, nothing does like success. Nothing succeeds. Okay, nothing succeeds here. Nothing succeeds. Nothing succeeds. Then next, rewrite these sentence first in the negative and then in the interrogative. First you should change into negative. So here the moon emits its own light. You have to first change into negative. So here emits. Okay, the moon, so negative first. The moon. Okay, the moon does not emit its own light. Clear? This is negative. Okay, does not emit. Then you have to change the same sentence into interrogative form. Interrogate. This is simple present. Its interrogative form will be yes. Interrogative two types. Yes, no, double S. So if the question asks you interrogative, you must change into yes, no question. The moon emits its own light. Does. Okay. Does the moon emit, not emits, okay, emit its own light? Clear? Then next, our teacher excuses the late comers. First you change into negative. Our teacher does not excuse, okay, does not excuse the late comer. Okay, does not excuse. Then next, you have to change into yes, no. Does our teacher, okay, does our teacher excuse the late comer? Clear? Then next question, these students work very hard. You have to first change into negative. Okay, here just here the subject is plural, so here the verb is also plural, so here we will add do not. Okay, these students don't work hard, don't work very hard. Clear? Don't work hard. Then you have to change the same sentence into yes, no. These students work very hard. Do these students, okay, do these students work very hard? Work very hard. You have to place a question mark. Okay, do these students work, not works. Okay. Then next, new things attract me. New things, here the subject is plural. Okay, so you will add here do. New things don't, okay, don't attract me. This is negative. Okay, new things don't attract. Okay, don't. Then yes, no will be yes, do new things. Okay, do new things attract me. Okay, just place a question mark. Clear? Do new things attract. Then next, my watch keeps correct time. Here the subject is singular and the verb is also singular. My watch keeps. My watch. Okay, my watch does not keep. Okay, does not keep correct time. Okay, does not keep. So this is the structure of how to change simple present positive sentence into negative. Subject plus do or does plus V1 plus not. Then change the same sentence into yes, no. My watch keeps correct time. Does my watch keep correct time. Okay, then next, Shobna ignores important points. So here subject is third person singular. Okay, verb is also singular. Shobna, okay, Shobna does not ignore. Okay, does not ignore, not ignores, does not ignore important points. Important points. Okay, does not ignore. Okay, does not ignore. Then next, you have to change the same sentence into yes no. Does Shobna, okay, ignore important points? Just place a question mark. Okay, does Shobna ignore, not ignores. Okay, then next, her elder brother encourages her. Brother encourages her. The negative will be her elder brother. Your third person singular. Okay, her elder brother does not encourage, not encourages. Okay, does not encourage her. Okay, then next, yes no. Does her brother, okay, does her elder brother encourage her? Okay, encourage her, question mark. Then next, it rains heavily in July. It does not rain. Okay, here singular, subject singular, verb is also singular. It does not rain heavily in July. Okay, then next, yes no. Does it rain heavily in July? Okay, does it rain heavily, not rains, question mark. Then next, this tailor stitches good clothes. So your subject is also singular, verb is also singular. So your negative will be this tailor does not, okay, doesn't stitch good clothes. Does not stitch good clothes. Then yes no. Does this tailor, okay, does this tailor stitch good clothes? Okay, question mark. Then next, players make much money. So here subject is plural, verb is also plural. So the negative form will be players don't make much money. Okay, players don't make much money. Then yes no will be do players, okay, do players make much money? Okay, do players make much money, question mark. Okay, okay, players don't make much money, do players make much money? Then next, exercise 3, rewrite the following passage using the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. So in the rainy season it rains. Okay, it is the general truth. Okay, it rainy season it rains. Okay, so here rains will be correct. Rains, simple present. Heavily, people anxiously waits, not waits. Okay, wait for the rainy season when the dark clouds appear. Okay, appear in the sky. Peacocks, okay, peacocks dance. Okay, dance, peacocks dance to welcome the first showers. The children show, okay, not shows, children show, okay, their excitement when rain falls, okay, on the parched earth, trees and plants. It seems, okay, seems correct, as if they have okay, if they have, not having, if they have heaved a sign of relief. What do you do? What do you do? Okay, not you do. What do you do? What do you do? Okay, what do you do on a rainy day? Do you like, to have a bath in the rain? Is there anything special that you like to eat? Okay, then next, present continuous. Okay, present continuous. So here, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. So here, the child dash. So here, what is it? Nuts. Okay, nuts. The child is throwing nuts. Okay, is throwing. So you know the structure of present continuous is are plus v1 ing. v1, you know the first form of the verb, like go, okay, play. This is the v1, first form of the verb. Similarly here, the child is throwing, that means the action is happening at the time of speaking. The child is throwing nuts to the monkeys. Okay, is throwing. Rishma is preparing notes in English. Okay, Rishma is preparing. Okay, Reshma is preparing. So whom are you waiting for? Whom are you? Okay, this is the correct answer. A chick is hiding under the basket. Is hiding. Okay, correct answer. Mechanic is repairing my cell phone. Who is delivering a speech? Okay, who is delivering a speech? Delivering. Okay, ing. Then next, the old man is darning her socks. Okay. Then next, how many singers are participating in this competition? Are participating. Correct answer. Don't make a call. The doctor is performing the operation. Okay, is performing. Our car is running a speed of 80 km per hour. Or you can also use simple present here. Our car runs a speed of 80 km per hour. Okay. Then next, fill in the blanks with a simple present or a present continuous. Simple present or present continuous. I have milk for breakfast. This is the correct answer, right? But today I am having. Yes. So this is my habit. Here the first, this is my habit, but today, that means present. Okay. This is my habit, but now today I am having coffee. It is raining heavily in July. No, it is raining. It rains. It rains. Not raining. Simple present will be used here. Both the twins are resembling each other. Don't disturb Raman. He is preparing notes now. Okay. This is the right answer. Is preparing, because now. Okay. A Jersey cow gives, not giving, gives. Okay. The countryside of India is changing. Okay. Is changing very fast. You don't like to talk to the stranger, but see, he is talking. Okay. Do you recollect your? Do you recollect your childhood days? Then next, she does up with her. She puts up, not is putting up. She puts up. You know this is a phrasal verb. Okay. She puts up. Your father is not well. Are you? Your father is not well. Are you attending on him? Okay. Are you attending? Present continuous tense will be used here. Okay. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. So if you want to get a complete idea about the present tense, all structure, present simple, positive, negative, interrogative, yes, no, present perfect, present continuous, negative, positive, yes, no, WH, negative, interrogative, similarly all the structures. Okay. So the title of the name of the video is 1 into 60. Okay. Thank you.